and 1 upon 2 log sec v minus 1 upon 2 log v equal to log x plus log c, and 1 upon 2 log sec v upon v equal to log x into c. One upon 2 log sec y upon x is equal to 1 upon 2 log xc whole square, and sec y upon x is equal to xc whole square, implies that sec y upon x is equal to y upon x square c square, and y x c square sec y upon x. This is the required solution of a given differential equation. This is the required solution of a given differential equation. Clear? X dy minus y dx equal to under root x square plus y square dx. This is a differential equation. First, you write the differential equation in the form of dy by dx. Now, dy upon dx is equal to y plus under root x square plus y square upon x dy by dx. Then the differential equation is homogeneous or not? Is homogeneous or not? First you write xy, then fxy is equal to y plus under root x square plus y square upon x, and f lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda x lambda y plus under root lambda square x square plus lambda square y square upon lambda x. Now taken lambda as the common from numerator as well as denominator, and lambda y plus under root x square plus y square upon lambda x, and equal to lambda power 0 fxy. This is a homogeneous differential equation. This is a homogeneous differential y plus x square plus y square under root upon x. Let y is equal to vx, and dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx, and v plus x dv by dx is equal to vx plus under root x square plus v square x square upon x. X is common, so x under root 1 plus v square upon x, and x common v plus under root 1 plus v square upon x. X cancel, v plus x dv by dx. Now x dv by dx is equal to v plus under root 1 plus v square minus v cancel, and x dv by dx is equal to under root 1 plus v square, and dv upon under root 1 plus v square is equal to dx upon x, and integral dv upon 1 plus v square equal to dx by x. Now it can be written as log v plus under root 1 plus v square is equal to log x plus c. Log x plus c. Now substitute the value of v. Log y upon x plus under root y square upon x square equal to log x plus c, and log y plus under root x square plus y square upon x is equal to the log x plus c. So log y plus under root x square plus y square minus log x is equal to log x plus c. So log y plus under root x square plus y square upon x square is equal to c. So y plus under root x square plus y square upon x square is equal to e power c, and y plus under root x square plus y square equal to x square e power c, that is x square. A is a new constant of the differential equation. This is the new constant of the differential equation.